It is important for us to maintain a safe, efficient fleet every day to provide that service to our students. Here in Cypher Transportation, we operate over 1,000 school buses. We drive nearly 50,000 miles a day, transporting over 65,000 students. And it's important for us to keep those bond packages coming so we can maintain that safe and efficient fleet.
These buses carry our precious cargo. They carry our children, our future, the most important thing to me in the whole world. And I'm responsible for those kids. These buses actually have more wear and tear than your car.
We presented a plan to replace a large number of our buses to maintain a 15-year replacement cycle, also to replace our non-seatbelt buses to be in compliance with the new law, Senate Bill 546, that was passed in the recent Texas legislature. We have 10 electric school buses currently. We have 10 more on the way. We also have over 440 propane school buses in the fleet. And today, with fuel prices being so high, our propane buses and our electric buses are saving us a lot of money and saving our taxpayers a lot of money. And also newer vehicles is a good investment because the maintenance cost is lower. So it's important for us to have that strong replacement cycle so we don't have those exorbitant costs for those older vehicles.
I've been with the district for forever. I wouldn't stay if I didn't feel safe and that they didn't have my best interest at heart. And their safety is number one. It's amazing what they do for us, and it's totally appreciated.